to this video right here, and I'd like to show you the results from using my method in the Etsy search results. Um, I used this method on a new product that I put up yesterday. In less than 24 hours, I'm up in the Etsy SEO ranks. So my product has came up, and I'm gonna show you guys the results. But first, I want to show you the product and the keyword that I used in Etsy, and it is mini canvas bag. And I'm gonna go with the first keyword search result right there, and I'm gonna scroll down. As you can see, I'm not signed in to Etsy right now, so this is the regular Etsy search results. And you got 5,607 results that comes up for this keyword. So, like I said, smaller niches, you can come up real fast using this method. But as you see, I'm scrolling. Now this is the first page of Etsy. I'm gonna go to the second page. I looked it up a little earlier, and I was already showing up in the listings on the pages, and I was surprised that it happened just that fast. I mean, less than 24 hours, I'm up in the Etsy search results. Here's my product right here, mini canvas bag, and as you can see, here's my name right here, Trendsetters, and I am on the second page of Etsy, less than 24 hours. Less than 24 hours on the second page of Etsy, and here's my product right here. And as you can see, it's still climbing in the search results. So what I'm going to do right now is pause this video, and I'm going to go into my back office, and I'm going to show you guys the results that I got from using this method. Okay, guys, I'm back, and just logged into Etsy, as you can see, and Trendsetters, and that's my logo. I'm going to go to the back office real quick, and I'm going to show you guys some of the traffic results. As this went less than 24 hours, as like I said, total views 2,971, visits 1,568, one order, and L for a small ticket item made $6. Like I said, passive income, and this method works real good. I'm gonna show you guys the results from the listing I just showed you. But matter of fact, let me go back to Etsy, and I'm gonna look that up one more time while I'm logged in, because you rank sometimes better when you're logged in. When you're a member of Etsy, or you're a buyer or seller, when you're logged in, sometimes your search results will come up quicker. So I'm going to search for that keyword again, mini canvas bag. This time I'm going to go with the second keyword and see where I rank it on that. And I really haven't used that keyword, the full keyword yet. And I'm going to see keyword phrase. And as you can see right there on the first page of Etsy, right here, Trendsetters. And as you can see, I'm on the first page of Etsy right here. Here's my product. And let me scroll down just to show you guys the correct page number so you can see it live. And right here, first page of Etsy, less than 24 hours. And like I said, this method will boost you up very, very fast. And it's a whole lot cheaper than using Etsy ads. I mean, this is just like a one-time payment type of thing. If you want to do it like that for a couple of listings or all your listings, and you'll see the results come in real quick. Excuse me, let me go to my back office. I'm going to show you guys some more results. Go to my dashboard. Now, as a result of using this method, less than 24 hours, as you can see, I'm up on the second page offline. When you're not logged into Etsy, when you're logged into Etsy, in the search engine results, I'm on the first page, less than 24 hours. So I'm going to show you guys recent activity right here. I'll show a little more. And as you can see, within 3 hours, that's the mini tote bag, the same thing, mini canvas bag. And 3 hours I got a like. 7 hours ago I got a like. And before that, 7 hours ago I got a like. And even on this product, 17 hours ago, it brought in traffic for more than just one listing that I had, you know. And 3 days ago I got that coming in from using this method. 3 days ago when you saw the video that I put up. And like I say, today is the 20th, 2021, November 20th. And I'm showing you guys live that this method does work. You get results just about instantly, as you can see right there. Likes 3 hours ago, 7 hours ago, and then 7 hours ago again. So all you gotta do is get the product, review the videos, go over the videos, and as you watch the videos, do the steps and the methods along with the video, and you'll start seeing results. And I thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next videos.